Okay, welcome back, everyone. I want to start with, I'm sure most of you know it's 9/11. So, um, I just would like to start with a thank you. Well, first of all, a remembrance of any of your friends, family members, anyone that you knew that was affected by 9/11, by the attacks. And I'd like to just give out my sincere thanks to the military, fire, police, medical, ambulance drivers, first responders. I put a post on my personal Instagram. It's I think back to I'll always remember where I was. I was at my business when the planes hit the towers, and I had a baby on the way. My son would have been 3 months in the womb at that point. He was born in March. I don't know. I always wonder if I was a couple years younger and didn't have a business and a baby on the way, I'd probably would have joined the military. I mean, most of you, I got all the gear. I just have such a deep appreciation, and I think that the military, the police, the firefighters, these are people that give their lives to make America what it is. And so anyway. I normally like to come on all high energy. I hate to start with such a downer today. But again, if you or anyone was affected in the attacks, I give my sincere condolences. And again, on a lighter note, I would just like to give a thank you to, again, all the military, the police, the fire, the doctors, ambulance drivers, the people, the people that at the end of the day, the people that I respect most are the people that run towards, the danger versus running away. So, anyway, that being said, I teased a big announcement last night. The big announcement, and it's interesting that the big announcement was I was going to end these daily live streams on, and it's a lot of work. I go live 5 times a day between these and the Steady Trade team, and I don't know. Then I got talked out of it. I seem to be a glutton for punishment. So if you saw the tease about the big announcement, it was going to be that this was going to be the last live, and it's not. So I'll see you Monday. I'm a glutton for punishment, evidently. So all right, let's get to work. So VBLT. News, higher float. Chart is a mess. Just based on the chart, more than anything, I don't like VBLT because of the chart. So, SPRO. They didn't offer it at $10. So SPRO has an offering at $10. It's trading at $10. I don't read your news. I don't know why you ask about SPRO. So anyway, whoops. Peloton. I really got nothing new to say about Peloton. If you were here for weeks, I said this is going to 100. For weeks, I'm like, Peloton's going to 100. It hit 101 this morning. So, great long-term hold. Lub is for sure a top Friday squeeze candidate. This thing is just tortured and tortured and tortured shorts all week. And the only reason this is still up is because shorts are trapped. So this is a LUB. If this can break last night's highs, needs volume. If this can break last night's highs into the afternoon, this could really get going. I think there's just a ton of shorts trapped in this. Trill. Trill is very interesting. Last I knew, it's still. So I would say a break of 1450 with risk down on 14 on Trill. This thing's holding up again. Well, I mean, I guess, my point is everything holds up in this market, but. NOVN. Ugly chart. Yeah, I mean, NOVN, the chart's too choppy. So. Awesome. Thank you, Duck Trade. Duck Trade says, Duck Trade, if you guys remember Duck Trade, he was the one that introduced the drinking game. So thanks for the drinking game, Duck Trade. I've tried to work on the ums. I think I've gotten better. But he says, don't know what I'd do without you. It's hard to get through all the disinfo and malicious stuff. You're always my lighthouse. Well, thank you, Duck Trade. Thank you. That I appreciate it. Gene. Basically, what I would love to see on Gene is an afternoon dip and rip, okay? Remember, Gene is the worst stock in the world, okay? This is top 10 worst stocks. Gene is the absolute most disgusting, terrible stock. But if it dips and rips into the afternoon on a Friday, you're going to see a move because everyone. So the reason I say this is the most disgusting stock in the world, everyone knows that. Okay, everyone knows that Gene always fails. Okay, and I mean it always fails. I mean you can look at a 10-year chart on Gene. Okay, it always fails. But it's Friday, and if shorts get trapped, market's currently green. If this thing starts pushing the high of day into the afternoon, everyone's going to panic. So have a plan, stick to your stop loss. But if this breaks 475 into the afternoon, you got a big move coming. So Gene. Worst, well, I'm going to say this, short seller favorite. So watch for hard breaks into the afternoon. Duck Trade says he noticed the day I was working on the ums, and he mentions one day I only said 4 ums. So. What do you think about Nikola? A lot of you guys asking about Nikola. I think Nikola is dead, okay? The best I can tell you is on the 8th, if you go to my personal Twitter, and I'm not saying, I tell you this all the time, most of my Twitter is sarcasm, okay? But if you go to my personal Twitter on the 8th, okay, 3 days ago, September 8th at 8 a.m., okay, 3 days ago at 8 a.m., when Nikola took the money from GM, I'm like, they're dead. GM will destroy this company. They'll destroy the stock. And then yesterday, we had that hit piece from Hindenburg Research. So, I mean, NKLA, if you're in this, I mean, you got to make your own trade decisions. But if you're swing trading Nikola, you should take any opportunity you can to get out, because GM going to destroy it, and Hindenburg Research put the bullet to the head. Greatly respect Hindenburg. And so anyway, that's my opinion. You're free to do whatever you want, but I think it's time to move on from Nikola. Bums me out. You guys know I love that truck. I thought I was legit 100%. I was thinking about buying that truck. I was going to do the pre-order. Then GM gets involved, and I'm gone. I'm like Homer Simpson in the bushes, backing away. So, NLS. I love NLS. You guys know. So NLS stay-at-home fitness play. Look for VWAP holds into the afternoon. Love this as a swing trade, especially with Peloton over 100. So NLS, basically the best way to talk about NLS is it's a low-priced Peloton. So if you like Peloton and maybe $100 a share is too high, NLS is basically the same idea. It's a sympathy play to Peloton, and you can, it's $16 a share versus 100. So love Peloton and NLS over VWAP into the afternoon for swing trades. Love Peloton and NLS swing ideas over VWAP. Yeah, again, I know there's the offering on Trill, but Trill's trading above the offering, so I think Trill is bullish because they got the cash from Pfizer. I think a lot of people are short in Trill, so and they got the cash, So, all right, guys, I always try and show up high energy and everything, but sorry to be a little down today. It's just, again, you just think about 9/11 and stuff, and it, I don't know. So, thank you for all the kind comments, and this is what I would ask. I only do this every now and then. Again, I was gonna end these, and I got talked out of it last night. If you don't mind, drop me a comment. Whether it be on Facebook, whether it be on YouTube, Instagram. Let me know. Comments, criticisms. Let me know. And I keep saying, drink. So anyway, I'll finish as I began. My condolences for anyone that was affected by the attacks on 9/11, and my sincere appreciation for all the first responders, fire, police, military, and I'll see you at noon over on my personal Instagram. Again, I'm a glutton for punishment. So, all right, everyone, have a great day. A lot of decent setups from the afternoon. I mean, especially for Friday squeeze type stuff. I mean, Gene is the worst stock in the world. Kodak is the worst stock in the world. Lub is the worst stock in the world. YTEN, worst stock in the world. Okay. So we've got like 5 dog crap stocks that could definitely squeeze in the afternoon. Love Friday afternoons. So, All right. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time.